Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand AZHA. AZHA is another Middle Eastern brand from United Arab Emirates. I unboxed and reviewed two fragrances from them before, and they were very good for a price. So this one, when I saw it on sale under £20, yes, under £20, I had to get it and see how it is. Is it any good? Is not? And these things. So this one is called AZHA Lubab. AZHA Lubab. This is 100 ml Eau de Perfume. It's targeted for men, and as you can see, as always with Middle Eastern houses, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink. Very good presentation, very nice, very heavy. Attention to detail is there. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your support, thank you for your comments, thank you for your subscription, thank you for sharing this video with others. Everything you do, it will help this channel, it will help me to keep with this endeavor and bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money and they smell great. If you want to invite me to a coffee, you could do that as well. It would be very appreciated, and I'll leave in the links how you can do that. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. Thank you. Okay, sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. Okay, so nice simple box, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. Okay, attention to detail is very nice. And the bottle is nice as well, especially for the price under £20. Look at this beautiful heavy bottle, is see-through, and the cap is gold, and the juice itself is a light gold color, and it says Lubab pour homme, or for men. And let's see how it goes. Very nice looking. AZHA Perfumes, and in the bottom it's got a sticker, and the cap is plastic but it's got weight to it, and the atomizer is modern and gold. And here we go. Very good atomizer, it gives a big mist. All right, nice. So far so good. Everything about it shouts nice, especially for the price under £20 in United Kingdom. In other places you have to do your research, Google it, see if it comes up, and if it is, how much it goes for. Okay, let's go. Here we go. First impression. Ooh. These Middle Eastern houses, they always deliver even under £20. Smells very nice, smells very floral, so you need to like your floral first and foremost. Yeah, very floral, and I can smell a little bit of jasmine, a little bit of rose, and also iris, which is very surprising for this price point. So I can smell iris, I can smell a little bit of very soft leather in the base, very soft, very soft leather in the base, and also a little bit of woodiness in the base. I can smell definitely some lighter elements like citruses, which is probably just bergamot in here. Yeah, very aromatic. Definitely it should be a little bit of, like, at least, if not both of them, at least lavender plus probably violet leaf as well, to give it a little bit of that aromaticness. But the aromaticness at the moment is in the background. The main thing at the moment is the brightness of the citruses plus those floral elements, which iris is shining right now. Yeah, hint of tobacco in the background again, just a hint. And the tobacco in here is leafy, it's quite sweet. The sweetness from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 6, so it is on the medium side of sweetness, but it's very well done, it's well blended, it's very smooth, it's very soft. These people, they just every time I unbox them, they just surprise me. Smells very good. It smells quite unisex because it's got a big body of florals in here, although it's aimed at men. And yes, it is a little bit on the masculine side, but not too much. It's not nothing uber masculine about it. It's actually on the unisex side of things. I love my florals, so this is up my alley. I'm a middle-aged man, Middle Eastern man, and I'm quite experienced man, so this is up my alley. I would say this is for definitely for people with a little bit of experience on their side, at 25 and up to in the safe side. In terms of season, this is all year round. You can use it summer, in winter. You have to control the trigger in summer less, in winter more. In terms of occasion, this is very nice. So it's very nice for going out, for evening, for close encounter, for dating, for formal occasion and things like that. It's very delicious. Yeah, I can smell an ambery body to it, but amber in here is very fluffy, it's very light, it's very bright. It's not deep and dense amber. And also I smell tiny bit of earthiness and chocolatiness, which is come from probably patchouli, probably a big patchouli in here as well. But the patchouli is not a dark, dense, funky patchouli. It's very clean. Overall, it's quite clean. It's fresh to semi-fresh fragrance. And the main thing you notice is the florals, especially the iris. But the iris is in here is not a lipsticky iris. It's not a makeup iris. It's a soft floral iris, more like than the typical let's say Dior Homme. No, it's nothing like that. But it is very noticeable. It's very beautiful. It's very nicely done. For under £20, I'm surprised. Smells much more expensive. Smells at least £70–80. Very well done. Well done, AZHA. Again, they done it again. The Middle Eastern houses, they always deliver. Not always, but majority of the time. Yeah, hint of fruitiness to it, but not big. The fruits in here, something like a peach, something like a pear, but again very soft. Everything in here is done in moderation and subtle. It's not a huge player. None of them are huge player in here. Everything is smooth and soft and subtle. So if you like a subtle fragrance, this is very, very good. At the moment, it's not jumping off too much, although it is filling the room right now, but I will let you know in the next video the longevity, the development and things like that. But for a first impression, absolutely yes. Especially for a price under £20, this surprised me. It smells very good. It smells opulent. It smells nice. It smells well done. It smells good perfumery. It smells good ingredients, especially for a price. As I said, it smells much more expensive. Yeah, so what to take? A little bit of citrus, fruitiness, but light fruitiness, very, very light. Definitely big on the florals, and the floral in here, iris first and foremost, then jasmine, then little bit of rose. In the base we have a woodiness. The woods are very clean in here, probably cedar or sandalwood together, and also a little bit of patchouli, and the patchouli is clean as well. So just giving it a body and giving it a depth, but it's not a heavy dense funky patchouli. No, it's just a light patchouli in here to giving it that bodiness. A little bit of amber feel to it, but amber in here is very fluffy and it's very light and it's very effervescent. So this is the story of this fragrance for first impression. As I said, this is definitely better suited for a little bit of mature person, 25 and up to in the safe side. It's all year rounder, so it's very, very versatile. It's just like a Swiss Army knife. It's better suited for going out and evening and things like that because it's quite on the opulent side. But obviously, if the price point is right, you can use it anytime you want, anywhere you want. You pay the price for it. You are the owner. You know where to wear it, when to wear it. This is only a recommendation. And in terms of sex, although it's a little bit lean masculine and it is aimed for men, but because of those big florals, to me it's very, very unisex, and anybody, lady and man, can wear it if you like this kind of fragrances. But for a first impression, absolutely yes, yes, yes. Especially for a price, this is a bargain. Okay, guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and definitely hidden gems. If you like to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfume myself. I have my own line of perfumes. They're called the scent of Persia because the ingredients are come from my country, Iran, Persia, and I mix them together to come up with 20 different perfumes, and they're all very beautiful, very mysterious, unique, artistic. They are like time capsule. They take you to different places, different time. And they are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.